Hey guys, here's the budgies again. We're inside, so I'm recording Dallin. Introduce. Look at this little one. The little budgie's biting me. Ow! He's got me right in that. You little tad. You bloody bite me. This is the second one. Looking like he's going to be white and blue. Hello! Rawr, rawr, rawr. Hang on, he's getting number 3. Oh, no, that's number 4. Hang on. Number 3, where are you? Come here, darling. This is number 3. Hello! He's white. So far, aren't you, darling? Yeah. He's like, hello! Hang on, get number 4 for you. Number 4. Number 4 is here. Hello, darling. He's blue. He's got blue wings. Blue wings. Blue head. He's the youngest. Auntie darling. Who's a cutie? Me, I'm cute. Do you bite? Do you bite? No. You don't bite, does ya? And they're all cute. They're all in a box. See them? This is the big one. And as you can see, he is green and yellow. Green and yellow. What's not great, but yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching my little babies. Bye bye.